I will be utilizing the ORD texture map from the brick texture that I downloaded from Quixel Bridge. The D in ORD stands for displacement, so we'll be using the blue channel in that to get displacement. Going back to the modeling plugin, you're going to want to click back on the plane that you created and click the displacement modifier. This will open up a new window allowing you to add your own texture and modify it to any degree necessary. These are the settings that I used to get my brick texture to work correctly. You can also affect the UV scale so that it matches the UV scale of your texture. The UV scale of my current texture is at 1.5. And ta-da! We have it! A beautiful, beautiful high poly mesh. Make sure you enable Nanite in the content browser after you're done making this.